This is why you need to know about the booming automotive wiring harness market. Let's dive in. The global market for automotive wiring harnesses is zooming from $52 billion in 2024 to a whopping $82 billion by 2032. That's a CAGR of 5%. Why the surge? Electrification of vehicles and the rise of electric and hybrid cars are driving demand for complex wiring systems. Then there's ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, bringing in sophisticated wiring solutions. And don't forget consumer demand for in-car connectivity and infotainment. Let's break it down by region. North America is cruising with a market size of $8 billion in 2023, driven by an estimated 17 million vehicles sold in 2024. Europe is on a similar track at $13 billion, fueled by stringent safety regulations and innovative tech. Asia-Pacific leads the pack with $23 billion, thanks to rapid EV adoption in China and India. The competition is fierce, with key players innovating to keep ahead in this thriving market. Stay tuned as the automotive wiring harness market continues its electrifying journey. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.